Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg. I want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching. Why don't you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications for more sweet boat videos like this one coming up. What a time to be alive, with boat manufacturers every year pushing the boundaries, with center consoles now above 40 feet. Boston Whaler did exactly that with the 420 Outrage. Now hop on board and come check out the flagship of the Boston Whaler fleet. The most impressive part of this boat that Boston Whaler really did a great job with on the 42 is going to be the helm station. We got a triple helm seat. Take a look up here. Why do you need triple 16-inch Raymarine units? Why not's the better question. With that being said, I'm going to get a little bit more in depth here with the Raymarine electronics. Multi-function units. We've got our side scan, our down view, our charts all pulled up here. And what I really like on the Raymarines is you can access all of your accessories, including the shade cockpit. Watch this. Now I'm back here, I want to point out the amount of shade that it actually gives. Now these shade options are nothing new on boats, especially of this size, but it really goes to show how great of a job Boston Whaler did when it comes all the way back here to the stern. We got a high of 91 degrees here today in St. Petersburg. Believe me, I'm usually the first one to break a sweat. Cool as a cucumber in this boat. Why? You guys are going to notice the abundance of AC vents throughout this boat, and also the shade that we just talked about. We're going to have a very versatile entertaining zone right here, whether it's a double row helm seating for when you are on those long runs, still being able to enjoy conversation, or with ease. It's going to fold down. You have this whole entertaining area back here when you are at the sandbar, you are at your destination. Sink, open this on up. Got your Kenyan induction grill, grill up some burgers, some fresh fish. Keep your drinks cold down here in the fridge. Not one, but two fridges. Between the two of them, our tackle station. Keep all your hooks nice and separated. Where are you gonna put all those fish you catch on the way over to the Bahamas? In these two index fish boxes back here. Fit pretty much your biggest mahi-mahi that you can handle. In the true nature of enjoying this beautiful atmosphere, why not pull a seat down, grab a few drinks, the ones closest to you, and take a load off. It really doesn't get much better than this right here. Now how appetizing does that look? I'm going in, guys. Landon, you gotta change of clothes for me, right? Okay, I guess not then. Maybe next time though. Moving on back here. Show you the live well in the corner, very well appointed, easy to get to. Another great opportunity to point out the abundance of JL audio speakers throughout the whole boat. Myself, I am a big fan of this rod holder setup back here between the arch up forward and the aft rod holders. This is the perfect blue water fishing machine, putting a nice spread out for your marlin, your tunas, your wahoos, you name it. What do the kids like to say nowadays? I got the horses in the back. Well, guess what? So do we. With Quad Mercury 350 Verados, you heard it right, that's 1,400 horsepower. This boat cruises along, top end speed, about 55 miles an hour. Now that everybody's seen what the aft deck and the helm station has to offer, now it's time to show you guys what really sets the 42 apart from all the other Boston Whalers in the lineup. Let's go. I am by no means the biggest man in the world, actually the smallest out of three brothers, but check out the headroom in here. No shortage of space as we move down into the berth. Lounge out, get away from the sun. Control everything on your iPad over here. Real comfy seats, plenty of space, nice and inviting, blue lights throughout the boat. This is where you want to be once the sun goes down. Beautiful countertops right here, TV for all of our entertainment, another fridge, no shortage of drinks at all on the 420 Outrage. Now the head, I don't even like to call it a head because it's not like your typical boat bathroom. In here is what you'd find in a luxury beach condo. A lot of times you have these great big center consoles that you have to squeeze through the sides on. That's not the case here. Plenty of room, as you can see. Even more JL audio speakers and even storage inside the gunnel right here. You don't even need to holler at the cabana boy to get you another pina colada. You can have your drinks right up here. Plenty of storage too. Who cares about that? We care about lounging up here on the triple lounge seat. Catch the sun, catch some rays, enjoy a nice cocktail like the ones on my socks. This is the life. Up here on the very bow, it's like we have an entirely new social zone with a bow table that operates on an actuating ram. Plenty of seating too, windlass automatic anchor hauler, and follow me back for one more surprise that the 420 Outrage has to offer. Follow me up here and check this out. If you want to come and check out the Boston Whaler flagship, the 420 Outrage, give us a call at MarineMax St. Petersburg. Come on down and let us get you and your family on your next dream boat. I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis once again, and I'm signing off until next time. Bye, guys.